To add a new refund service invoice, the user must navigate to the Sales menu, click on the Transactions submenu, and select the Refund Service Invoice option. This will display the homepage of the Refund Service Invoice menu. To create a new Refund Service Invoice transaction, click the Add button provided at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form will appear. Select the business unit for which the refund service invoice is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated as configured in the Reference Formula option in the Settings menu. Then click on the Client field and select the client by searching with an exact alphabet keyword so that the system can fetch the relevant results. The user can enter any special reference for this refund service invoice transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates will be generated as per the uploaded value. If no data is available, the system will fetch from an online platform. Rates can also be changed during the transaction. The date field will be filled by the system with the current date, and it can be changed to previous dates if required. The user can edit the preferred rate field if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings for the base currency will be shown. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu, either by scrolling or filtering using appropriate characters. The payment method can be selected from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be displayed as configured in the system. Any notes to be included can be entered in the Notes field. Attachments, if any, can be uploaded using the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user can enter the service as free text and specify the quantity along with the price. Then enter the discount and the VAT percentage, where applicable. Any specific notes for the service can also be entered. To add multiple entries, click on the green plus icon. The system will display a new empty row where the user can enter additional services and their details. The system also provides an option to handle bulk processing by uploading the services in Excel format. Click the icon shown, download the template, fill in all the service details, save the Excel file, and select the Import from XLS option to upload the data seamlessly. All the entered values will be added to the Totals section, including the total quantity of services to be refunded, the total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will be calculated and displayed automatically. After entering all the details, click Save. The transaction will be saved successfully and will appear on the home page. Initially, the transaction will be in draft status, which allows the user to make changes. To view a refund service invoice transaction, click the View icon under the Action column. This will display the individual transaction details. To edit the transaction, click the Edit icon. The Add Refund Service Invoice screen will open in edit mode. Once changes are made, the user can save the updated data. A transaction can be edited only while it is in draft status. Once the status changes to confirmed, no updates can be made. A duplicate option is provided to reduce manual effort. The system will create a duplicate entry of the refund service invoice with pre-filled data. The user can edit the necessary fields and save it as a new entry. If the user attempts to print the transaction while it is still in draft status, an error message will appear. To print a transaction, the user must first confirm it by clicking the Confirm option under the Action column. Once the confirmation is approved, the transaction status will change to Confirmed. Then click the Print option to generate the Refund Service Invoice printout in a new tab. The Delete option will be disabled once the Refund Service Invoice is confirmed. To delete a Refund Service Invoice, ensure the transaction is in draft status and then click the Delete icon under the Action column. A confirmation message will appear, and upon approval, the Refund Service Invoice will be deleted.